So this is a software called Desktop Mate, and yes, I downloaded it. Using this software, you can have interactive anime girl on your desktop. It's pretty cool. Okay, I saw the trailer yesterday accidentally, and I was like, yeah, this looks cool. Let me show you guys something. Who's that? Who are you? I forgot to read the name of her, but I do know one character here actually. Her name is Hatsune Miku. Have you listened to this song yet? If you haven't, then maybe you don't know, but this is a really popular song from Hatsune Miku, and it's not a real girl. I'll leave that for you guys. You'll figure out. Just search Hatsune Miku and you'll know everything. But listen to this song. Even though I don't understand anything, I just love this song. Okay, call me whatever you want. So you can also get that girl here. This thing is free to download. You can download it for free from the Steam, but if you want to get more characters, you'll have to download the additional DLC. Okay, they cost little bittle, let's just say that. Okay, but I'm using the free version. Let's read her name first. I don't know her name. I only know the Hatsune Miku. Okay, the name is so tiny I can't read it. Someone tell me what is her name. So this thing, you can grab it, interact with it. You can put it wherever you want to the side. You can also change the size by right clicking and setting and change the size, or you can click on it and then scroll the up or down to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, and you can make these characters sit on any opened window, and you can move that window and they will move with that window. Isn't that cool? I'm not that old. I still like anime. And when you close or minimize the window, look what happens. They will fly, disappear, and then appear. Oh, it appeared on my second screen. Okay, you can also make them sit on taskbar too. Okay, wherever you want. And you can also put them to the edge if you want to, let's say, temporarily hide them. Okay, whenever you peek or hover your mouse to that place, they will peek, and you can grab them and you can move them wherever you want. If you don't touch them, they will do random stuffs. Now you can change the character. For free, you'll only get one character, which is this one, but there are 3 more additional characters. Again, I only know the one, Hatsune Miku. Okay, for those characters you'll have to pay. And I have heard that they are planning to make users to load their own characters, the 3D models. Then you'll be able to have whatever character you want in here and interact with them. Are you feeling lonely? I don't think this will cure your loneliness. All I'm trying to say here is that this looks cool and cute. Sadly, they don't talk. Okay, even though they move their mouth and whatever. And there is one actually useful feature. You can set alarms. Okay, I tested this yesterday, so let's actually test this right now. Okay, the alarm started. Now she's gonna jump on your screen, grab your taskbar, and gonna start distracting you. And this is the alarm sound. Okay, she signed out and gone from, yeah, it's over now. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, I think that's the only useful thing it has. Other than that, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's fun one. Let's say you're working, you want to decorate your desktop. Yeah, you can have it as a decoration too, I guess. Yeah, this is pretty cool. They chill there and you do your work. You can make them bigger, smaller. Okay, one of the most important question, how much resources does it use? Okay, so we're gonna type in here desktop mate. Okay, and yeah, this is the resource usage. Yeah, quite a bit memory, around 300. If you have a lot of RAM, I have 32 gigabyte. It's not much. Okay, my system can handle it. Even on CPU side, it's all right. I mean, 5 to 6% CPU is good. I mean, if you want something like this, let's just say it's a desktop customization tool. You can customize your desktop with something interactive. Yeah, That's all I have to say. And again, this is free and you can get it from Steam. And if you want more anime characters, yeah, you can also get the DLC, which are paid. And soon they are doing some experiments. You'll be able to use your own 3D model. If that happens, you can have any anime character that you want. And look at that. She's doing random stuffs in the taskbar. So let's make her smaller. If you're really into anime and something like this, pretty cool. And it's usable. It's not that hard on the system. Like it's all right. And that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.